Hey guys, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog with my two best friends. That's one of them right there. I did my workout yesterday, so I don't have to do it today. Tonight is announcing Homecoming King and Queens, and tomorrow night is Homecoming, so I'm probably going to vlog that. I am going to be doing a vlog style of video. Oh, OTD, I'm wearing an oversized Under Armour shirt it's medium. She's like blending in with the plates. We are going to be dyeing Amanda's hair, so I'm excited for that. Hopefully you don't mess it up. It's going to be good content. Oh my god!
You did it again!
You literally put two different plates up. Anyway.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you missing?
So we are back from Sally's, and we just got Amanda's hair dye.
You can take them through the stuff.
Alright, so
Here's the receipt if you want.
Kendall acted like professionals.
She was
And
really good.
yeah, she was so good. Let's start our like beauty guru music. Okay, so we got some see-through foils. We got some cups. We got a black one and a purple one. We also got some gloves, some latex gloves, because we mean business. We also got some this. So we got some like bleach stuff. Got some of this. I claimed the white one because aesthetics. Some volume developer. And we also got another bottle of volume developer. I'm also going to get Cane's. My Uber driver is going to go to Cane's. And she's so nice. I'm going to give you 5 stars, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so yeah.
I bought you a cookie, so.
That's true.
And I haven't killed you yet.
That's true. Hi, can I get a 4-piece finger combo box? Can I change the coleslaw with fries?
Alright, no coleslaw, fries, and what's the drink?
What do you have for diet?
For diet?
Yeah.
We do have Diet Coke or we have Coke Zero.
Can I get Diet Coke?
Alright, with the Diet Coke. Anything else?
That'll be it.
Alright, your Coke's gonna come big. Just some of that. First fries, no, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, I started trying to. Oh, did you get that? Please don't put that.
Don't make it obvious.
Is that too
Is it
far?
recording? No, it's fine. Just need to reach all the way over there.
Give me my food.
Are they gonna take it for you?
Thank you.
Any ketchup?
No, thank you.
You good?
Thank you. You too.
This is really cute.
I know!
Oh, I didn't do that.
Update time. So we're at Amanda's house right now, and we're playing with the black light. And like, oh my god. Let me show Kindle.
Contacts in, and they make me look like I have a super big iris.
Ew. Okay,
Let me see. Do you have contacts in? Oh, that's so smile.
Wait.
Your teeth look so white.
Thanks. Yours too.
Oh.
Wait, but you can't really see it. Okay. Ooh, can you see it? I don't know. I guess we'll
Whoa,
have
I
to
can see all your blackheads. Scary. Come here. Come closer. See, Amanda? Do you see?
Holy sh!
I don't know why her pupils look like that.
I think maybe
Look at all her sunspots. See, I have blue eyes, but
That's
mine are a little more
true.
green.
Kendall, you really need to get ready.
Amanda, shut the up.
Scandal.
Ooh, can I
No, I already did it.
Looks like it's getting
Back again! Oh my god, Kindle. Seriously.
thirsty?
Demonetized. Okay, do you have a cup or something, Amanda? Do you have a cup?
Girls Gone Wild.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Amanda, you got the Power Beats Pro?
I know she's rich.
What the f? I didn't know you had these.
Oh yeah.
No,
Are they nice?
no.
Oh, I got my butt in the camera. Look.
Ready?
Careful. I just saved your life. Does anyone have an extra beauty blender?
What?
Amanda, don't yell at me like that.
Pants are on.
So I take L-carnitine, Kindle, and I take probiotic. Kindle, good thing you're not on film. Oh yeah, my sister was trying to text me.
Oh yeah. Forgot.
I don't really know what you're asking, but yeah, my data's working. And also, I don't know why you use so much. Oh yeah, because you're on your phone all the time, so yeah. Love you.
And then I just put on all the affected areas.
Oh, do you have a beauty blender? Oh my god, I need to.
Amanda. Okay, once you have it on all the affected areas, during this time I do my eyebrows. Precisely my brow pencil by Benefit.
Oh, I always wanted one, but I'm too cheap.
Oh, get the travel size and like try it out.
Okay, should I have a full face or should I keep my freckles?
Keep your freckles, please. Oh, do you like the elf primers? I've always thought about getting them.
I think they're okay. There's one that's like really nice.
And then I take my pomade from Anastasia.
I also
in
use elf primer because I'm
Dark
cheap.
brown.
There's this elf primer that Jeffree Star recommended and I really want to try it because apparently it's like it's a dupe of the actual real one.
Oh.
And it's apparently really nice and not that expensive how the normal one is. Oh my god, my eyebrows are So right now I'm going to be using Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer.
Guys, tell me if this is cute.
Okay.
Best with the
Yes,
sweater.
you look
yeah, I
adorable.
love
You've
that.
worn that before, so.
Okay.
So I'm using Amanda's spoon brush because I
Oh, do
forgot
you
my
like
beauty
it?
blenders. I haven't used it yet. I want to try it.
Oh, okay, but like with the dark jeans, or should I put light jeans on?
I think it doesn't like that.
I mean, I like this, but like, I feel like I have more control with the beauty blender.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Okay, so turns out I'm not going to do makeup because I'm sad.
And then once your eyebrows are done after like 15 minutes, then I'm gonna do my dark circles.
Fun fact, I'm about level 6 in hair color, so...
So first I'm gonna take my NYX. It's in peach, actually light pale. It's a dark circle concealer. This corrects like purple, brown, like under eye circles. And then I go in with my illuminator corrector from Maybelline. Then on all those dark circles from all my lack of sleep.
Oh, so I'm gonna try to do my brows without crying this time. I am using a drugstore brow pencil. I'm gonna be using this NYX. See, told you!
What?
Walmart had NYX.
Yeah, it just got NYX.
No, I got this last year. Ow! Anyways, I got this.
Take my
Shut the
baby.
f up. I'm talking.
Blender, I'm just gonna blend that out so I don't have any
Maybe
more
have a pick.
A
A
pick.
pick.
I'm going all natural, people, and I'm not doing anything with my life. Okay. Good.
Blending. So let that set, and while that sits, I'm gonna go and cover up, it's like spot conceal on my zits. Cause I got lots of them. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna be really pissed. Okay, do I look ugly?
No. Oh, frick. Stuff is in your car. Is your car locked?
No, I don't lock it out.
Okay. I'm gonna take you guys because I don't know. Okay. Have fun, Kendall.
Bye.
Don't mind that. Okay. I'm gonna go get my stuff out of Kendall's car because I left some stuff in there. Okay. Oh. Get Amanda's thick pumpkins. Ooh.
You just want to use this stuff?
I'm confused. Oh, that smells nice.
Yeah, it does.
That's it. Oh shoot.
Proteins and the Marathon Kids, and is a member of the G Club.
So we're back now, and we met some crazy drivers. Hey.
Say how's the asshole? Hello.
Hello, my brother.
I'm the new queen.
Kendall, what do I write? I don't know how to post stuff.
I'm the new queen now. You have to bow down.
I have to piss.
I can't get back on my knees.
Ooh, we're so professional.
Set it like this is our client's hair before dyeing. You have like a golden blonde.
Golden blonde.
So tight on my pearl phone.
Amanda, are you ready?
I am.
Ooh. Alright, so we're done bleaching Amanda's hair. This is what she looks currently.
Are you gonna show me? No. So if we have to, I'm gonna put some of this on this, but like later tomorrow, or I don't know. Okay. So what you can do, so basically what we'll do is so if we do need to do that, I'll put it in your hair and let's take.
What are you doing? You look a mess though. Like your eyes, like you look like you're crying.
She got hit by a bus.
It is currently 3:04 in the morning. Amanda just got done and taking a shower and everything. Yeah. I don't know. She's just texting her hair person right now so she can redo it.
Oh, don't do that.
I'm already had 3 mental breakdowns with my mom.
This is what her hair looks like in the sun. I mean, it doesn't
Looks
look
like
okay. So yeah, they're gonna
Goodbye.
go get it fixed.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye guys.
Bye.
Good luck.
Love you.
Love you too. Snapchat me.
I will.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Drive safe.
I will. You too.
Bye.